Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here, we will replace the dead battery in a Chevrolet flick key fob with a fresh one. This is a very simple procedure, and we will need only the tip of a small screwdriver. We'll also want a new CR2032 battery. The battery is behind a cover at the back and bottom of the fob as shown. We'll need to flip open the mechanical key in order to remove the cover. A little moderate finger pressure and the cover is off. The battery is now exposed with its markings up. There is our CR2032. Use the tip of the screwdriver in the visible opening to get beneath it, and out it comes. Slip the new battery in against the metal connections toward the bottom of the fob and under the plastic protrusion. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, wipe the battery down once again. Snap the cover back into place. It only goes on one way. Test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.